Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today, we're diving into something truly futuristic, the 2026 Lincoln Star concept, a vision of what luxury mobility will look like in the next generation. Finished in an elegant black shade, this concept car is more than just a design exercise, it's Lincoln's statement of innovation, electric performance, and pure sophistication. So, buckle up as we take you on a deep journey through its stunning design, luxurious interior, impressive technology, and what we can expect if it ever reaches production. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Lincoln Star concept looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its sleek black exterior glows under light, emphasizing the futuristic yet graceful silhouette Lincoln is known for. The front end is a showstopper, a fully illuminated Lincoln emblem takes center stage, surrounded by a seamless light bar that stretches across the front fascia. There's no traditional grille, of course, because this is a fully electric vehicle, but Lincoln has replaced it with an intricate illuminated pattern that gives it a high-tech, almost celestial appearance. The body lines are smooth and flowing, designed to reduce drag and enhance aerodynamic efficiency. The black paint finish adds a mysterious, almost magnetic aura to the car, sleek, deep, and luxurious. The massive glass roof stretches all the way from the hood to the tailgate, giving the car a light, airy feel even from the outside. The Star concept rides on large 22-inch turbine-style alloy wheels that complement its futuristic stance, while the side profile is minimalist with retractable door handles and smooth surfaces. At the back, the full-width light bar continues the theme of illumination, integrating with a subtle rear spoiler. The taillights perform a dynamic light animation when the car powers up or locks, a small but satisfying touch that shows Lincoln's attention to detail. Even the doors open in a dramatic, coach-style configuration, the front doors swing normally while the rear doors open backward, creating a grand entrance for passengers. Every inch of this car screams modern elegance blended with concept-level creativity. Step inside, and it feels like entering a high-end luxury lounge rather than a typical car cabin. Lincoln has gone above and beyond to create a space that's relaxing, high-tech, and breathtakingly beautiful. The interior is flooded with natural light, thanks to the panoramic glass roof and slim pillars. The black color scheme continues here but is balanced with warm ambient lighting, metallic accents, and soft-touch sustainable materials. The dashboard design is futuristic and minimalist. A massive panoramic display stretches across the front, blending the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sleek screen. Beneath it, a floating center console flows elegantly between the front seats, housing touch-sensitive controls and hidden storage compartments. Everything feels intuitive and modern, no clutter, no unnecessary buttons, just calm simplicity. The seats are sculpted for comfort and upholstered in eco-friendly leather alternatives, showing Lincoln's commitment to sustainability. The front seats can recline and even rotate slightly to create a more social space when the car is stationary. In the back, passengers get lounge-style seating with leg rests, personal screens, and even a chilled compartment for refreshments. Lighting plays a big role in the Star concept's ambience. The cabin features customizable lighting modes inspired by different times of day, from soft sunrise tones to calming evening hues. There's also a fragrance system integrated into the cabin that diffuses soothing scents to match the selected mood. Lincoln calls this its Rejuvenation experience, and it's clearly designed to make every journey feel peaceful and refreshing. Another unique touch is the smart glass technology. With a tap, the glass roof and side windows can tint automatically to block heat and increase privacy. The rear compartment offers an open cargo area with premium materials, and even that space is illuminated elegantly. Every detail, from the floating armrests to the subtle metallic inlays, speaks of Lincoln's craftsmanship and futuristic thinking. Performance. Underneath all that luxury, the 2026 Lincoln Star concept is a fully electric vehicle built on a dedicated EV platform. While Lincoln hasn't revealed exact performance numbers, it's expected to offer dual-motor all-wheel drive, providing both smooth power delivery and excellent traction. The focus here isn't raw performance like a sports car, it's refined, silent, and confident power designed to make every drive effortless. The estimated power output is likely around 450 horsepower, enough to move this large luxury SUV with ease. Acceleration should be strong, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, but the Star concept's real charm is how serene the driving experience feels. The EV platform ensures a low center of gravity, giving it stability and smooth handling. With adaptive air suspension, the ride quality can adjust automatically depending on the road or driving mode, making it plush on highways and responsive in corners. Lincoln has also emphasized sustainability and technology. The car features regenerative braking, a long electric range expected to exceed 350 miles per charge, and ultra-fast DC charging compatibility. The Star concept is designed to connect seamlessly with smart infrastructure, meaning it can plan efficient routes, find charging stations, and even sync with your home energy system. There's also next-level driver assistance tech. Lincoln's Active Glide hands-free driving system is expected to be available here, allowing semi-autonomous driving on compatible highways. Add to that advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, and 360-degree monitoring, and you've got a glimpse into Lincoln's vision of intelligent luxury travel. Price. Since the 2026 Lincoln Star concept is, as the name suggests, still a concept, it doesn't have an official price tag yet. But if it goes into production in a similar form, it's expected to start around $90,000 to $100,000, putting it in the same range as high-end electric SUVs like the BMW 9, Mercedes EQS SUV, and Cadillac Escalade IQ. What makes the Star concept special, though, isn't just the luxury or technology, it's the emotion it evokes. This car represents a shift in Lincoln's design philosophy, moving toward a future where vehicles don't just transport you but actually make you feel calm, recharged, and inspired. It's about transforming the daily commute into a serene, elevated experience. The black finish on this particular version adds an extra layer of sophistication, making it look like a work of art in motion, sleek, quiet, and powerful. From the illuminated emblem to the peaceful, tech-driven cabin, every part of the Star concept is designed to impress. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Lincoln Star concept the future of American luxury? Or do you think it's too futuristic to make it to production? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where the future of cars keeps getting brighter.